It was a bright Monday morning. The sun was shining, birds were singing, and children hurried to school with smiling faces. Among them was a cheerful boy named Hamza. He carried his school bag on his back and a blue lunchbox in his hand. His mother had packed his favorite meal: vegetable sandwiches, fresh apple slices, and a small chocolate cookie. Before leaving home, his mother smiled and said, "Take good care of your lunchbox, Hamza." "I will, Mom." Hamza replied happily. When Hamza reached school, he placed his lunch box inside his desk and joined his classmates for the morning assembly. The first lesson was mathematics. Hamza listened carefully as the teacher explained new problems. After math came English, then science. Time passed quickly. Finally, the lunch bell rang. Lunch time. Everyone shouted excitedly. Hamza opened his desk with a big smile, but suddenly, his smile disappeared. "My lunchbox is gone." He looked inside his desk again, then under the chair, then inside his school bag. It wasn't there. "Oh no," Hamza whispered. "Where did it go?" His best friend, Ayan, noticed his worried face. "What's wrong?" he asked. "My lunchbox is missing," Hamza replied sadly. "Don't worry," Ayan said. "We'll find it." Together, the two friends searched around the classroom. They checked every desk and every corner. "Did anyone see a blue lunchbox?" Hamza asked. Some children shook their heads. One girl said, "I saw something blue near the playground this morning. Let's check there," Ayan suggested. The boys hurried outside. Near the playground, they looked under the benches and beside the swings. They found a blue water bottle, but it wasn't Hamza's lunchbox. Hamza sighed. "I guess I'll stay hungry today." Just then, another classmate named Sarah came over. "I heard your lunch box is missing," she said kindly. "You can share my lunch." "So can I," said Bilal. "And me," smiled Fatima. Soon, several children offered to share their food. Hamza felt touched. "Thank you, everyone," he said. "You are very kind," even though he still hoped to find his lunchbox, he realized he had wonderful friends. After lunch, the class had art time. The teacher asked everyone to draw something they loved. Hamza drew a picnic with family and friends. As the teacher walked around the classroom, she noticed Hamza looked quieter than usual. "Is everything all right?" she asked. Gently, Hamza explained what had happened. The teacher smiled. "Not give up yet," she said. "We'll all helped search after class. School ended, the teacher and several students searched the classroom carefully. They looked inside cupboards, behind the bookshelves, and under the teacher's desk. Still no lunchbox. Just as everyone was about to stop searching, the school cleaner arrived. He carried several forgotten items in a basket. There are some lost things here, he said. Hamza looked inside the basket. There were pencils, notebooks, a cap, and then my lunchbox. Hamza shouted happily. It was his blue lunchbox. What happened? The teacher asked. The cleaner smiled. I found it on a bench near the school garden this morning. I thought someone would come looking for it, so I placed it in the lost and found basket. Hamza suddenly remembered. Oh, I carried it outside before assembly while talking with Ayan. I must have forgotten it on the bench. Everyone laughed kindly. I guess I was talking too much, Hamza said. With a grin, the teacher smiled. Sometimes we all forget things. The important part is learning from our mistakes. Hamza thanked the cleaner sincerely. Thank you for keeping it safe. The cleaner nodded. Always write your name on your belongings. It makes returning them much easier. That evening, Hamza told his parents the whole story. His father smiled. You were lucky. His mother added a neat name label to the lunchbox. Now everyone will know it's yours. The next morning, Hamza packed his lunch again. Before leaving for school, he checked carefully. School bag. Yes. Books. Yes. Lunch box. Yes. At school, he placed it safely inside his desk and smiled. During lunch, he enjoyed every bite with his friends.